All right, we're gonna start the video walkthrough of 216 West 12th. I'm starting here upstairs in bedroom number 1. This bedroom is the entire loft area. So you have this whole entire room up here to yourself. There's lots of different light options up here. Different cabinet space. Lots of storage throughout this entire room. We do have a smoke detector, nice and functional. The way smoke detectors are supposed to be. Do not, I repeat, do not disable smoke detectors. So here you have the laundry room. So this doesn't have an actual door going up to this bedroom. You have a door to this laundry room. So you need to keep that in mind as you're doing things that if you have a light sleeper, that the upstairs may not be a good thing because this is their door essentially and you have that washing machine in here. Or you just need to wash for doing laundry when they're not sleeping and stuff. So here you have a closet. Sorry, I feel like I got down the little bunny trail there. There's lots of storage here in this house. Here you have the bathroom. Oh, this light switch always gets me. Spacious bathroom. Linen closet here. Here you have bedroom number 2. This is the only bedroom on the main floor. A very large closet in here. Here you have the living room, dining room area. Oh, sorry. I apologize for me yawning. I almost feel like I should do a voiceover at this point. I've made so many vocal mistakes. So here you have the hall closet, or like the front door closet. We'll take a look outside. So here's kind of the neighborhood. We do manage the property right to the east of here. You do have a garage that does come along with this. This house has 2 nuances that kind of are brother and sister. They go hand in hand. There is a house off the alley for this house. So the water is tied together, which is why we pay the water at this property. So keep that in mind that the rent does include water. This is the mailbox for them, and often there is some packages and stuff that's left in this area. So you'll just have to keep that in mind that you are in a way sharing part of your backyard with someone just for the fact that they have to walk through the backyard to get their mail. Other than that, it's definitely not an apartment setting, but I do want to point that out. All right, now we're gonna head to the kitchen. Also, the oven door is off right now. I'm gonna have a maintenance guy stop by and put that on. A cleaner took it off to clean and then struggled to get it back on because those are kind of heavy and a little awkward to try to maneuver sometimes. We're gonna head down here into the basement. Now, in showing this property, I've heard and I can tell people are thinking, oh, a 3rd bedroom. No, this is legally not a bedroom. I'm going to repeat it one last time. This is legally not a bedroom because it does not have an egress window. So, you are looking at a basement that you have a basement here. It is not a bedroom. Don't think it's a bedroom, please, because it's not. Just want to make sure that is extremely clear. Not a bedroom. So this basement is essentially going to stay as is. We're not going to finish it because, if we get a crazy flood, this basement's going to flood. That work will be for nothing. So that's the house.